皆さん、こんにちは。シンガポール在住の中国のビキです。よろしくお願いします。Hey everyone, I'm Vicky. How you doing? Alright, so today I'm going to record on Friday 3 p.m. Zoom lesson. Okay, so for those who cannot attend, I hope this will be a good reference to you. Okay, let me share my screen. Alright, welcome to Happy Milai Learning Lab. Okay, so for 3 p.m. session, there'll be a little bit of quiz. Okay, this is mainly for GLPD N5 verbs. Okay, and then today's main topic is how to use particle ni. Okay, and I'll be sharing some related sentence patterns. いいですか? はい。Okay, so first, let's do the N5 verb quiz. Okay. So, do you remember those 5 words on the screen? いいですか? Okay. はい. Alright, so number 1, borrow, 借りる. Number 2, finish, 終わる. Number 3, 会う, meet, 会う. Number 4, give, あげる. Number 5, lend, 貸す. いいですか? Okay, so those 5 words are the ones will be appear in some of the sentence examples. Okay? はい. Okay, so today's main topic is how to use particle ni. Okay, so I'll be sharing some of the common ones. Okay, there's so many functions. All right. So number 1, particle ni. Number 1 function, as you can see on the screen here, it indicates a destination of an action. いいですか? So for example, I want to go to a botanic garden. Yeah? 植物園に行きたいです。植物園に行きたいです。いいですか? 行きたい。行きたい。It's たい。何々 be たい。This is mainly to express speaker. Like for example, now me, mine. Yeah? Speaker's wish, okay? So you don't have to say 私は, okay? This is mainly to express speaker's wish, yeah? So when you say 行きたいです, that means I want to go. 行きたいです, yeah? I want to go, okay? 植物園に行きたいです, okay? So に over here tells us a destination, all right? So number 2, all right, it indicates time of an action. For example, I finished school at 5 p.m. 午後5時に学校を終わります。いいですか? 午後 means afternoon. Yeah, afternoon. 5時. Yeah, simply 5時 can mean 5 o'clock. Okay, 5 o'clock. Yeah, 午後5時に学校を終わります。Yeah, 終わる。終わります。finish. いいですか? So here we are using the sentence pattern. 時間に何々 we must. Yeah, we do something at a certain time. Okay. All right. So over here, it's written at 時間に何々 we must. Okay. Basically, it can be a very specific time, or it can refer to, for example, Monday, Tuesday, or it can refer to a period of time, for example, summer holidays. Okay, いいですか? はい. Okay, number 3 function, it indicates a place of existence. いいですか? So here the example, there is a book on the table. Okay, 机の上に本がある。いいですか? 机の上に本がある。So over here on the bottom of the screen, you can see 場所に物がある. Okay, there's something somewhere. いいですか? Okay, ある is referring to non-live things. Yeah, it's referring to mono, no lives. いいですか? Okay, so over here, basically the ni, it can be translated into like on, in, at, or under, depends on the sentence examples. いいですか? So please remember this sentence pattern, okay? 場所に物がある. There is something somewhere. いいですか? Okay, let's look at the next sentence pattern. There is a cat under the table. Yes, over here we use under. 机の下に猫がいる. Okay, can you pay attention to the verb here? いる, we use いる. Yeah, 場所に生き物がいる. いいですか? 場所に生き物がいる. Yeah, so いる is it refers to live things, for example, human being or animals. いいですか? Okay, 机の下に猫がいる. Yeah, there is a cat under the table. All right. Hi, number 4 function. So it indicates object of an action. For example, over here we use the verb out, which is a dictionary form. Yeah, the applied style is the must form, I must. And then the past form is I must. For example, 例1. Yeah, I met my friend yesterday. Yesterday means 昨日. Okay, friend is 友達. All right. 昨日友達に会いました。いいですか? 昨日友達に会いました。It tells the direct object of an action. ですか? Alright, okay, 例2. Mr. Lee gave present to his friend. リーさんは友達にプレゼントをあげました。いいですか? So over here, gave, あげる dictionary form. あげます applied style. あげました past form. いいですか? リーさんは友達にプレゼントをあげました。Yeah, it indicates the object of an action. ですか? So over here, it basically is translated to, yeah, gave something to someone. いいですか? To someone. はい、例3. I lent my book to my friend. 友達に本を貸しました。友達に本を貸しました。Okay, so over here it also translated to, yeah. I lent my book to, yeah, to my friend. いいですか? So over here the verb lend, 貸す dictionary form. 貸します。Yeah, remember the must form is the polite style. 貸します。Yeah, past form. 貸しました。いいですか? はい。And 例4. I borrowed a book from my teacher. Yeah, please pay attention. Over here, it translated to from. Yeah, 先生に本を借りました。ですか? 先生に本を借りました。Yeah, so over here, the verb is borrow. 借りる. Yeah, dictionary form. 借ります。polite style. 借りました。いいですか? Past form. Yeah. Okay, so basically the past form over here is the must change to must. Must. ですか? はい。Okay, number 5 function. It indicates purpose of an action. For example, 例1, go to watch movie. Yeah? 映画を見に行く。ですか? 映画を見に行く。Yeah? So over here, for example, the sentence, the questions, yeah? 午後は何をしたの? 午後は何をしたの? Yeah, this is like a carol question, yeah? To talk to people who you are familiar with, yeah? What did you do this afternoon? For example, the answer, 答えは友達と映画を見に行った。友達と映画を見に行った。Yeah, I went to watch movie with my friends. 友達と means と over here is with. Yeah, with. いいですか? So the purpose of an action is, yeah, go to watch movie. Yeah, the purpose is watching movie. All right. はい。Okay, 例2, go shopping. 買い物に行く。Yeah, the purpose is shopping. 買い物に行く。いいですか? For example, the question here, お昼の後は何をしますか? お昼の後は何をしますか? Yeah, after lunch, what shall we do? Or what do we do? Yeah, 答えは一緒に買い物に行きませんか? Yeah, so this is something you can invite your friends. Yeah, 一緒に買い物に行きませんか? Yeah, would you like to go shopping together? Yeah, 一緒に何々 with ませんか? So you can refer to the sentence back there or over here. Yeah. So this is a very gentle, nice way to invite your friends to do something with you. Yeah. 一緒に means together. 一緒に何々 with ませんか? A very nice, gentle way to ask someone to do something with you. Okay? いいですか? はい。Alright, so let's look at the summary of some of the sentence patterns we have used here. Yeah, number one, 何々 with たいです. Okay, remember this one is to express speaker's wish. Yeah, so I want to do something. Yeah, I want to do something. Number two, 時間に何々 with ます. Yeah, do something at a certain time. Okay, so it can be a very specific time, or it can be referring to day, for example, like Monday, Tuesday, or it can refer to a time, a period of time, for example, summer holiday, winter holiday. Yeah, いいですか? Number three, 場所に物がある. Yeah, there is something somewhere. Yeah, remember, ある, it refers to non-live things. Yeah, non-live things. Number four, 場所に生き物がいる. いいですか? So there is live thing somewhere. Yeah, this one referring to human being or animals or, you know, anything with lives. Okay. はい、the last one. 一緒に何々 with ませんか? Yeah, a very gentle way to ask your friends to join you to do something together. いいですか? So 一緒に often used with 何々ませんか? Yeah, 一緒に means together. いいですか? はい。All right, thank you for watching. So I hope this lesson is a good reference to you if you would like to attend the future Zoom lesson, or if you cannot attend, if you wish to receive this type of updates on YouTube, please subscribe and remember to turn on your notification bell. Okay, I hope to see you in one of my live lessons in the future. All right, thank you for watching. Have a great day. またね。拜拜。